Ready to get your Usaa online banking back on track? First things first, head to the official Usaa website, Usaa.com. Using your web browser, this is your most secure and direct route. Look for the login area, usually prominently displayed. If you cannot log in, click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password. Depending on your need, carefully follow the prompts, such as providing your member number, social security number, or verification information. Usaa will guide you through resetting your credentials or retrieving your username. Once successfully logged in, navigate through the most common issues and find solutions, such as a locked account or a declined transaction. Look for error messages or pop-up notifications. If you have any problems with an error message or account access, head over to the support section and navigate through the options. Use the fact sections for common fixes or contact Usaa's customer service. Call or chat with a member to get real-time assistance. The best approach is a direct method where you can clearly identify issues once back in your account. Consider using the security features such as multi-factor authentication now. You are back online and secure with your Usaa account.